guys, thank you all so much for stopping by. Today I am going to share with you how I do a refresh to our study for spring and summer. Now this is a space that hubby and I share together. I am in here a lot more than what he is, but this is our space. So you will see in here a lot of me and a little bit of him, but he understands because he's only I'm going to refresh the study here, and you are going to see initially a hot mess. But you guys are going to clean this up because it's something I've been trying to do ever since Christmas. So you'll see still just a little bit of Christmas hanging around, a little bit of Valentine's stuff hanging around, but I'm going to clear it all out and make it look fantastic. Where we can come and do our work when we need to and still have it looking more of me. But I hope you guys will enjoy it. And I do thank you all so much for stopping by. So what you will see initially is some cleaning, putting away some cotton, and then you guys will see the final results of how I make this look pretty again. Okay. So here you guys is the product that I need to put away, and it actually needs to go in this cabinet right here, but as you can see it's of disarray. I cleaned it up around October, November, but if anyone know when you have a storage space and you clean it up and the second you go in looking for something, it seems as though you look for one thing and you just tear up all the stuff that you've just done. So that's what that cabinet is all about. This is my vision board that I created as part of a collaboration at the beginning of the year. So I'm going to keep that in here because I like the fact that I made it look like art, and I did that so it can just look pretty in the space here. So this is the vision board for hubby and I. And so I will leave that in here. And you guys, you see all that mess over in the chair and just stuff that just needs to be put away. Christmas pillows need to be taken and put away with the Christmas stuff. And I'm going to clear all of this up so you guys can enjoy the space here. So I've cleared out some of the stuff, and I'm going to wipe everything down, and then you guys will get to see what it looks like. So I'm going to take this product here now. I moved it from the corner to the middle of the floor so that I can see actually what I have going on in these boxes here. And then I am going to bring you along with me as I start placing it inside this cabinet here. And then I will show you what that will look like once I'm done with that space there. But I'm just basically giving this space a refresh. Not doing anything major to it, just adding a few throw covers. I had blue in here before. I'm going to change them out to something a little different. I don't want to tell you now because I want you to wait and see what it looks like towards the end. So continue to watch, please. I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up because it's just me going through the box here and sorting out the product. So I'm going to speed this up so we can go ahead and get through this. Guys, this refresh here is part of a challenge that is being hosted by Miss Linda and Glamour Ellen, and they have just asked that we share a room of our home, showing how we plan to refresh it for the spring and summer. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm sharing with you my study, and I am going to leave a link to Miss Linda and Glamour Ellen's channel in my description box below. Also, you guys, there's going to be a playlist link of all of the other creators. Now, if you have not visited Miss Linda or Glamour Ellen's channel, you guys, you're missing out on some amazing content. A lot of ideas, a lot of glam, elegance, just some beautiful, beautiful content. So to you ladies, I thank you both for having this as an open collab, one in which I am able to participate in. And also, you guys, that playlist link of all of the other creators, fantastic, fantastic channels. So just go over and shower so much love. You know, we all go through a lot. So what does it hurt to click that button and just go over and spend a few minutes and watch the videos to the end. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new, and make sure you leave us a comment in the comment section. We appreciate it so much, you guys, and I do thank you for stopping by. And I hope you have enjoyed the content here. If you're new and you want to become a part of my family, remember, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice. Now, for those of you that are already a part of my family, I'm going to give you hugs and love and tell you I thank you so much for your continuous support. Be blessed, you guys, and continue to watch the video and continue to enjoy my music. Thank you. Now that big roll that you see there in the corner is actually a rug that I had ordered, and I did not like it. So it's just kind of standing there until we can decide what we want to do with it. So my husband has some ideas for it, but for now it's in the corner.